Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Facebook Marketing 2018 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Facebook marketing for your business in 2018. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Facebook marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Facebook Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is Facebook all about. What is Facebook marketing? How can Facebook marketing help your business in 2018? Shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. Section 2. Facebook marketing in 2018, step by step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about Facebook walkthrough, creating a Facebook page for marketing, creating and promoting a Facebook page post, the Facebook Ads Manager, creating your first Facebook ad campaign, creating a lead generation campaign on Facebook. Section 3, Advanced Facebook Marketing Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about using Facebook Live for marketing, creating a Facebook remarketing pixel, creating a custom audience, creating a Facebook remarketing campaign, Facebook marketing strategies that convert in 2018, crazy simple tricks to boost your organic reach in 2018. Section 4, Additional Tips to Consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of Facebook marketing in 2018 on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training. Hey there, friends, and welcome to our newest video training series. We are excited to tell you right off the bat that we have prepared one of the most complete trainings that we've released so far. One that will give you all the information that you'll need to grow your business this year and beyond. That is because in this training, we are going to teach you all about mastering Facebook marketing in 2018. From start to finish, this is a training that will show you all you'll need to know to grow your business on the largest social platform to date. This video training series is designed to walk you through the basics first, to teach you how to get started, and lastly, to show you how to implement top-tier strategies to make the most out of your marketing efforts. In this first section of our training, the Facebook Marketing Basics section, we are going to discuss the following topics. What is Facebook all about? What is Facebook marketing? How can Facebook marketing help your business in 2018? Shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. So let's start by discussing the first topic in our list. What is Facebook all about? Let's start by describing Facebook as what it is at face value, a social media network designed for everybody. After all, do you know someone who isn't on Facebook yet? We bet you don't. Facebook has become the most popular social platform because it is easy to use, because of its features and its applications. In other words, Facebook owes its popularity to how entertaining and accessible it is. Facebook's main attraction is its user profiles, which allow people to add their names, their personal info, their pictures, their interests, and a lot more. These profiles help users find each other and to connect by adding each other as friends on the social network. These social features have made Facebook the go-to platform to connect with friends, to reconnect with old friends, and to meet new people. People can also use Facebook to play games, to chat with their Facebook friends, to create and share photo albums, to comment on other people's profiles, to create Facebook groups for their friends and families, and to connect with and follow their favorite brands, artists, or businesses. And that is because Facebook is also an attractive platform for businesses of all sizes. With an active user base of over 2 billion people a month, it is the ideal marketing channel for any business eager to reach and engage with a larger audience. What's more, businesses can create their own type of Facebook profiles called Facebook pages. Facebook pages are designed to allow businesses, companies, brands, organizations, and artists to use the platform the same way that any regular user would. In fact, businesses can use Facebook as a powerful marketing tool, and there are many doing so successfully already. So let us grab you by the hand so we can teach you all about using Facebook to market and grow your business. Stay tuned. What is Facebook marketing? Hey there everyone, we're pretty sure that you have heard this if you have tried your hand at online marketing before. But what many people don't know about Facebook is that it is a gigantic online marketing machine. Not only because it allows businesses to establish an active, engaging presence on the Facebook platform, but also because it provides them with all the necessary tools that will allow them to accomplish basically any business goal. So no matter whether your business sells in person, online, or through an app, there's always a specific objective that you need to achieve before you can move to the next step. And with 2 billion people just waiting to learn more about your business on Facebook, it is now easier than it has ever been. Facebook marketing will help you to find new customers and to build lasting relationships with them faster and more efficiently thanks to the variety of business-oriented tools offered natively by the platform. These tools include Facebook Pages. Facebook Pages are what will allow your business to establish a unique presence on the platform. This will help people to find your business, to learn more about it, and to engage with it in a personal and very meaningful way. Facebook Ads. More than 1 billion people use Facebook every day. So it would be pretty time-consuming and difficult to reach the ones that might be looking for your product or service on your own. The good news is that Facebook allows you to run advertisements on its platform to promote your business through its own ad platform. Messenger. The Facebook Messenger is not only designed to let you chat with your Facebook friends, it is also a powerful marketing tool that will allow you to automate responses and to create messenger bots that can serve your customers even when you are away. Instagram. Instagram is by far the most popular visual discovery platform for social users, and Facebook has integrated it into its own advertising network. On Instagram, you will be able to tell your business's story and to inspire action by showcasing your products in ways that no other platform would allow you to. Audience Network. You don't have to limit your ads exposure to people on Facebook or Instagram. So, if you want to go a step further, you can always turn to the Audience Network, which will allow you to extend your advertising reach into mobile apps and partner websites. As you can see, Facebook is not a simple platform for exposure, but a complete multi-channel marketing platform that allows you to execute several types of marketing activities, including brand building, native advertising, and automated customer service. What's more, Facebook marketing will help you to unleash your brand's potential with features such as Facebook Live and Facebook video posts, which can help you rank higher on search results inside the platform, or Facebook groups, where you can nurture a community of qualified customers around your business activities and values. And the list goes on and on and on. So, please stay tuned if you want to learn about how Facebook marketing can help your business in 2018 and beyond. See you in our next video. How can Facebook marketing help your business in 2018? Hello there, my friends. Facebook's full potential to help you grow your business can be difficult to grasp at first glance, but there are specific benefits of leveraging the platform's marketing features. Here are our favorite ways in which Facebook has helped us grow our own business. Facebook marketing will help your business to reach the perfect customer. One of the most defining characteristics of the Facebook advertising platform is its powerful targeting capabilities. With Facebook ads, you will be able to hyper-target your audience down to the minutest detail. Facebook ads not only allow you to target an audience based on common attributes such as gender or location, it will also let you target audiences based on their interests, on the things they don't like, on very specific stuff such as band pages they follow, even on who they are friends with. All that means that you'll be able to reach the exact type of people that you need to like your business page, even if they don't end up buying from you initially. Facebook marketing will help your business attract more in-store visits. One of the coolest capabilities of Facebook ads is that they allow you to target people that live a specific distance from your business, or people that live close to your competitors' businesses, or both, which creates opportunities to encourage in-store visits. Facebook marketing will help you advertise your business for cheap. Running Facebook ad campaigns is cheap and remains cost-effective for even the smallest business on the tightest budgets. You can easily start running ads for $1 a day, and then to push it from there once you start seeing positive results. Facebook marketing will help you to easily engage potential customers. Facebook will allow you to natively interact with your potential customer base in ways that aren't possible on other platforms without some heavy tinkering. On Facebook, you'll be able to set up contests, promotions, to offer coupons and discounts, to promote events, and to manage exclusive groups and communities built around your business. And you can easily do it all without ever leaving Facebook. Facebook will help your business reconnect with past customers. Facebook is not only a native advertising platform, it also doubles as a remarketing platform. Remarketing is the use of advertising strategies to reach back to customers that have interacted with your business in some form in the past. These could be website visitors, people who did not complete purchases on your online store, or people on your mailing lists. With Facebook remarketing, you will be able to track those lost customers on Facebook and to serve them ads there, which will encourage them to engage once again with your business. Facebook will help you establish a full marketing hub in one place. On Facebook, you will be able to leverage basically every feature for marketing purposes because you will be able to serve video ads, to launch live video marketing sessions, to promote all types of sweepstakes and offers, and even to integrate your own store within your page. Additionally, you will be able to integrate a huge number of third-party marketing tools and services into the platform in case that you need to boost your efforts. And the cherry on top? With the exception of paid ads and paid integrations, you can do it all for free. Please stay tuned, because in our next video, we are going to list some of Facebook's most shocking marketing facts. Shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. To this date, Facebook still has many more active users than any other social network. To be precise, the number of monthly active Facebook users is 2.07 billion. Try to wrap your mind around that fact. That is a third of the entire world's population. We know it sounds a bit overwhelming, but you won't need to target that many users, ever. Yet no matter how big or small your audience is, you'll find lots of people whom to do business with. The vast majority of US-based Facebook users are adults. In fact, 68% of US adults use Facebook. Millennials are the predominant generation. 88% of people aged 18 to 29 use Facebook, with a slight decline among people aged 30 to 45. In any case, bear in mind that people aged 29 to 40 are big spenders, which means that there's a big chance for you to monetize that demographic. This one is good. The majority of US-based Facebook users have some or complete college education and are considered high earners. In fact, the adoption rate among high earners, or people that earn $75,000 or more a year, is at 76%, which is way higher than among people in lower income brackets. Great news for us marketers. And here's a funny fact. Most teens think that Facebook is uncool, even though adoption rates among people aged 12 to 17 is at 76%, and it's only below YouTube's adoption rate, which among these young demographics is at 96% as of this date. Facebook is a global community. Of its 2.07 billion monthly user base, only 239 million are from the US and Canada. That's only 11.5% of Facebook's monthly active user base. Now, what this means is that you'll be able to reach a global audience and to expand your business beyond your initial target locations. This one is pretty relevant. 78% of U.S. adults aged between 18 to 34 years old use Facebook to discover new retail products. Surveys have found that up to 52% of respondents, regardless of age or demographic, have used Facebook to find a product that they were interested in buying. The numbers get especially specific for the fashion industry, with Facebook's own data showing that 46% of users across 6 countries have found fashion inspiration on the network, which more likely led to a purchase later on. Businesses love Facebook. In fact, a whopping 70 million businesses are using Facebook pages, and they are all using Facebook marketing tools. 20 million businesses are actively using the Facebook Messenger to communicate with their customers, and more than 5 million are using Facebook ads. Here's the big one. 95.8% of social media marketers worldwide say Facebook of all social media platforms delivers the best return on investment, followed by Twitter, which sits at 63%, over 30% less. Most of Facebook's ad revenue comes from mobile, 86% to be precise. But that doesn't mean that diverting most of your advertising budget to mobile is a good strategy. It simply means that the majority of ad impressions happen on mobile devices, so be careful. And here's an odd one to wrap this up. Sundays and Mondays are the cheapest days to place ads. Yes, you heard it right. Sundays and Mondays have the lowest cost per click compared to any other day, especially to Fridays, which has the highest cost per click. Hey there, my friends, and welcome to Section 2 of our newest Facebook Marketing video training series, the Facebook Marketing in 2018 Step-by-Step section, where we are going to walk you through all the basics of getting started with Facebook Marketing in 2018. This section has been designed to give you a comprehensive step-by-step overview of the Facebook marketing process, and its content includes Facebook Walkthrough, creating a Facebook page for marketing, creating and promoting a Facebook page post, the Facebook Ads Manager, creating your first Facebook ad campaign, creating a lead generation campaign on Facebook. And because this is a step-by-step guide, we have to start from the very beginning. Facebook Walkthrough. Alright everyone, let's set the record straight. You'll need to know Facebook inside out if you plan to make the most out of its marketing features. And in this video, we are going to show you Facebook's anatomy to prepare you for what's next. Now, it is safe to assume that because you are watching this training, you already have a Facebook account. In the rare instance that you don't, you'll simply have to start on Facebook's homepage and enter your personal information in the required fields, which includes your name, your mobile phone number or email address, a password, your birth date, and your gender. Then you'll simply have to click on the Sign Up button and to follow the on-screen instructions. Otherwise, you'll simply have to enter your email address or phone number and your password in the login fields above and to click on Log In. Once you log in, you will land on the Facebook newsfeed, which is where all updates and posts from friends, groups, and fan pages will appear. This is perhaps the part of Facebook that everybody is most familiar with. The newsfeed is where most Facebook ads are served. They are also served on the right-hand column, depending on the advertiser's setup. Right on top of the newsfeed is the Make Post section, from where you will be able to create your Facebook posts and updates. Here you will be able to create common text posts, photo or video album posts, and live video posts. In the upper right panel, you can access your profile by clicking on the Profile tab with your name and your profile picture. You can use the button to the right to add accounts or to switch accounts. When you click on your profile, you will land on your own timeline. You'll find an About tab to add and modify your personal info, a Friends tab to manage your contacts, a Photos tab to manage your pictures and your photo albums, and a More tab to discover detailed information about your Facebook likes. You can customize your profile by clicking on the Update Your Profile Picture button and by clicking on the Add a Cover Photo button. By clicking on the Home tab, you can go back to Facebook's homepage. By clicking on the Find Friends tab, you can see your friend requests, your friend recommendations, and to look for Facebook friends using the filters available in the Search for Friends section. There are 3 notification icons on this panel. From left to right, they are Friend Requests, Messages, and Notifications. The question mark icon is a quick help shortcut. Now, by clicking on the drop-down menu icon, you will be able to access your pages, to view your activity log, to set up newsfeed preferences, to access your account settings, and to log out of Facebook. you will be able to use the search bar in the upper left corner to use Facebook as a search engine. You will simply have to enter a keyword in the search bar and then to either click on the search button or to click on any of the search bar suggestions based on the keyword that you enter. Once in the search results page, you will be able to refine your search by using the posts, people, photos, videos, pages, places, groups, apps, events, and links tabs. You can filter your results according to criteria specific to each type of result. In the lower right corner, you will find the Facebook Messenger, which is Facebook's chat feature. You can click on it to see your online contacts and to click on them to start a chat. Let's now take a look at the menu on the home page's left-hand column. This menu features shortcuts to basically every Facebook feature, including groups, events, games, live video, pages feed, saved posts, buy and sell groups, and the Explorer feed. Lastly, under this menu you will find the options to create, add, page, group, or event. As you can see, everything you'll need to get started is available to you right from the home page. Next up, we will be teaching you how to create a Facebook page to market your business in 2018 and beyond. So make sure to tune in. Creating a Facebook page for marketing. Hey there everyone, Facebook pages are the reason why businesses join the network in the first place, and you can't properly market your business in there without having one. So in this video, we are going to show you how to easily create a beautiful Facebook page for your business with a few clicks of your mouse. To get started, simply click on the menu button located in the upper right panel, and then on the Create Page option. Now, select the page category. You can choose between business or brand and community or public figure. In our case, we are going to choose the business or brand category. Once you select the category, click on the Get Started button located below your chosen category. Next up, you'll have to enter a name for your page in the page name field, and then to enter a category keyword in the category field. Make sure to enter a keyword that appropriately describes your business activity, your niche, or your industry. You can then select the more specific category from the available suggestions. Then click on Continue. Next up, you'll have to click on the Upload a Profile Picture button to upload a profile picture for your page. Next, you'll have to click on the Upload a Cover Photo button to also add a cover photo for your page. Awesome! Your page is being created, and it is time to customize it with your business and contact information. Start by clicking on the Page Options menu button located below the cover image, and then click on the Edit Page Info option. You can start by adding additional categories in the Categories field to make it easier for people to find your page using niche keywords. Make sure to click on Save Changes after updating each block of information. Now scroll down to add your contact information, or simply click on the Contact tab on top of the window. Here you have to specify how people can contact your business by checking the boxes corresponding to the contact methods available, which include contact by phone, through website, and by email. In our case, we're going to deselect the Has a Phone Number option so people can only contact us through our website or our email address. We then enter and save our website address in the website field and our main contact email address in the email field. Now scroll down to Locations. Here you will be able to specify your exact business location on a map by dragging and repositioning and by entering your exact address information on the street address, city, and zip code fields available above the map. Or you can simply deselect the Has a Street address as well as the Customers Visit My Business at My Street address in case your business is not location-based such as ours. Make sure to save all your changes before closing this window. Now your page info and contact details have been updated. And that is it. Now your Facebook page is ready for some marketing. Next up, we will be showing you how to create and promote your first Facebook page post the right way. So tune in. Creating and promoting a Facebook page post. Hello there everyone. Now that you've learned how to create an awesome looking Facebook page for your business, it is time for you to also learn how to create and promote cool and engaging Facebook page posts and updates. Creating a basic page post is easy enough, and you'll simply have to start by going to your Facebook page. You can reach it from the Options menu button by selecting it under Your Pages, from the Your Pages menu on the right-hand column, or from the Shortcuts menu on the left. Now, creating a page post for promotion should be done the right way. Promoted posts should get as much attention and positive engagement as possible, especially because you will be investing advertising money on them. Let's show you how to create an engaging Facebook post that you can actually promote. Start by clicking on the Write a Post field located on top of your page's timeline. Before we compose this post, allow us to show you a few of the options available when you start creating a post. You can click on Photo/Video to select how you want to insert media on your new post. And there are several options. The options available here are the same options that you will be able to use later on when you create ads with the Ads Manager. Now, what we want to do with this post right here, and this is how you will be creating the majority of your posts, is to insert a URL where to send people to. This could be a landing page to lead people to a sales page through a CTA button, or a link to a blog post. Whatever the case may be, Facebook will simply fetch the images available from the landing page and will insert them automatically in your post. This will allow you to add an image to your post that people can click through to go to the page that you linked your post to. In our case, we are going to insert our website's URL to promote our business site in order to increase brand awareness and website visits. So we simply insert our URL in the Write Something field. As you can see, Facebook just loaded the images available from our site. What we have to do now is to select the image that we want to use in our post. Our recommendation here for you is to select images with strong elements that contrast with the background, and they should not feature text. To select your image, you will need to deselect the ones that you are not going to use, and you can do that by simply clicking on the X or delete icons on each image, or by clicking on the smaller thumbnails corresponding to each image below the post. Note that you can leave all images if you want to, but we recommend against it. As you can see here, this page post looks awesome so far. You can delete the URL text on the status field after inserting your URL and selecting your feature image. Let's now compose the post status. This is actually add copy, because this will be a promoted post. Remember, this post text or copy has to match your offer and the content on the landing page. Take our post as an example. Copy has to be brief and descriptive, so we are going to use the proven and top-of-the-line diabetes treatment tips inside as our status. Once you are done composing your post, you will have several options to publish it. On the drop-down menu below the post, you can select to publish, schedule, backdate, or draft your post. In most cases, you will simply have to click on Publish. Once your new post is live, you will see an option to boost post in it. This option is what will allow you to promote your post right from your page, right after you publish it. So you'll simply have to click on the Boost Post button to get started. A Boost Post window will appear for you to set up your promoted post. You can check a preview of how your promoted post will look on people's desktop and mobile feeds to the right. To the left is the actual Boost Post setup. First, you have to select your objective. Your objective is what you want to achieve as a result of promoting your post. In our case, we are going to select website visits as our objective. Once you select your objective, you will have to set up your audience. You can start by clicking on the Edit button from the people you choose through Targeting option to edit your target audience. You can also select an existing audience if you have previously saved one, or you can click on Create New Audience to set one up from scratch. Scroll down once you set up your audience to set up your budget. Before specifying your total budget amount though, we recommend you to select your ad duration. There are 3 predefined durations: 1 day, 7 days, and 14 days. You can also select a custom duration by using the calendar function and selecting a specific date to stop boosting your post. Our recommendation here is to select a date that allows you to test your ad for 3 to 5 days. Now back to your total budget. Our recommendation here is to set a total budget of $25 if you select a 5-day duration, so you can test out your promoted post on a $5 a day basis, and to increase your amount from there. In case you select a different duration, simply enter a total budget that allows you to test your ad on a $5 a day basis. Click on Boost once you set it all up. You might be prompted to select your payment method if you haven't already. Once you do, simply click on Continue. Your promoted post will start running. the Facebook Ads Manager. Hey there friends, as you could see in our previous video, boosting a page post is easy, and you could do it all from the comfort of your Facebook page. Now it is time for you to learn how to access the Facebook Ads Manager, from where you will be able to use a larger variety of advertising features. Start by clicking on the Options menu located in the upper right hand panel from anywhere on Facebook, and then click on the Create Ads option. Now wait for Facebook to prepare your ad account, to connect to your pages, and to finish getting everything ready for you. Now you will land on the Facebook Ads Manager dashboard. From here, you will be able to access all of the Facebook advertising features. If you haven't noticed already, the Facebook Ads Manager is optimized to make it easier for you to create ads right from the start. The main dashboard is organized in a way that will allow you to create an ad right when you need it. The first step is outlined above in the campaign section, where you can start by choosing to create new campaign or to use existing campaign. Right below the campaign selection section, you will find the What's Your Marketing Objective section, where you will be able to select your advertising objective. To the left is an outline of the steps involved in the ad creation process. From top to bottom, these are campaign, ad set, and ad. Let's take a look at the options panel located on the top bar. From right to left, you will find a Help tab, which you can click to get a help summary with tips about using your Facebook Ads Manager. Next to it is the Settings tab, which will take you to the Settings section. In the Settings section, you will be able to configure your ad account setup from the Ad Accounts tab. Your account setup includes your ad account ID, which can't be changed, your ad account name, your time zone, and your currency configurations. Your advertising purpose can be either set as yes, I am buying ads for business purposes, or as no, I am not buying ads for business purposes. You will also be able to configure your business address, business country, and tax ID number. In the Ad Agency menu, you will need to specify whether you are an agency buying ads on behalf of an advertiser or not. In this section, you will also be able to configure your account's attribution settings and to manage ad account roles. Now on the Pages tab, you will be able to check and manage your Facebook pages. On the Payment Settings tab, you will be able to see your current bills, to add a payment method, and to set up your account spending limit by setting your limit amount in the Account Spending Limit box. Finally, in the Notifications tab, you will be able to activate or deactivate all ad account notifications, to specify which ad email notifications you want to receive and what type of ad notifications you would like to receive directly on Facebook. Back on the Options panel on top, you will find two notification icons. The first one to the right is the Pages notification icon, and the next one is a Notifications icon. The account icon with your profile picture will allow you to switch between ad accounts in case you're managing more than one, to log out of your ad account, or to simply go back to your newsfeed. You will be able to use the search bar to find information and help topics about the Ads Manager, about your Facebook Ads account and campaigns by simply entering a keyword or set of keywords. By clicking on the Hamburger menu tab to the left, you can access the rest of the Ads Manager features. Sections in this menu include Plan, Create and Manage, Measure and Report, Assets, and Settings. Finally, you can click on the Facebook icon in the upper left corner to simply go back to Facebook's homepage. Please stay tuned, because we are going to show you how to create your first Facebook ads campaign using the Ads Manager in our following video. See you there! Creating your first Facebook ad campaign. Hey there everyone, now that you know how to navigate the Ads Manager, it is time for you to learn how to use it to create your first Facebook ad campaign. It is easier than you might think, and you'll simply have to start by going to the Ads Manager dashboard like we showed you in the previous video. So click on the menu button on top and then click on the Create Ads option to load the Ads Manager. Once in the Ads Manager, you will be able to create a new campaign or to use existing campaign. For this example case, we are going to create a new campaign from scratch, as this is the first step of the ad creation process. To create a new campaign, you have to start by selecting your marketing objective. Your marketing objective is what you want to generate as a result of running a Facebook ad campaign. The marketing objectives available on the Ads Manager include brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages, conversions, catalog sales, and store visits. For this example case, we're going to select reach as our marketing objective, which will allow us to show our ad to as many people as possible within our budget. Once you select your objective, you will simply have to scroll down and to name your new ad campaign in the campaign name field, and then to click on the Set Up Ad Account button. On the next page, you will simply have to specify your account country, your currency, and your time zone if you haven't done so already. Click on Continue when you finish setting up this info. Next up, you will be taken to the Ad Set section, where you will have to select the page that you will use to run your ads from, to set up your audience, your ad placements, your budget, and your schedule. Start by naming your new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. In the Page section, you will have to select the Facebook page that you want to promote. Let's now move to the Audience section. Here, you will have the options to either create new audience or to use a saved audience. For this example case, we are going to show you how to set up an audience from scratch. So we will select the Create New Audience option. Start by selecting your target locations in the Locations section. Here you can simply type the name of your target location in the text field above the map and to click on it to select it. You can do so for as many locations as you would like to target with your ad set. You can hyper-target your selected locations by clicking on the Locations drop-down menu and selecting whether to target everyone in this location, people who live in this location, people recently in this location, or people traveling to this location. Now in the Age section, you can select the base age and a top age of your target audience. In the Gender section, you can select to either target men, women, or all. In the Languages field, you can browse and select your target languages. In the Detailed Targeting section, you can include or exclude people based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. In the Connection section, you can select to reach Facebook users according to the type of connection that they have with your page, such as people who like your page or friends of people who like your page. As a final step, you can click on the Save Audience button to save this audience setup so you can use it later. Let's now move to the Placement section. Here you can select between the Automatic Placements option or Edit Placements option. If you select the Automatic Placements option, your ads will be served to all possible types of users on all types of devices across multiple networks that include Instagram and the Audience Network. But if you want to select where and whom to show your ads to, you'll have to select the Edit Placements option. For this example case, we are going to select this option to show you how to edit your target placements. For this example, we are going to select all devices in the Device Types menu, and then we are going to deselect the Audience Network as well as the Messenger options. Now in the Budget and Schedule section, you will have to set up a budget as well as a schedule for this campaign. In Budget, you can either select a daily budget if you want to spend a specific amount on a daily basis, or you can select Lifetime Budget if you prefer to spread your ad spend over a specific period of time, or until the budget is depleted. As a general rule, you should start advertising on a budget of $5 a day, and then to increase that amount in $5 increments once you start seeing positive results. In Schedule, you can select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option to run your ads until you decide to stop them. Or you can select the Set a Start Date and an End Date option to schedule when your ads start running. For this example case, we are going to select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option to test our new ad campaign for a week. Once you've finished setting up your budget and schedule, click on Continue. Next up, you will have to edit your ad creative. As you can see here, the ad identity is already set because we selected the page that we are going to promote on a previous step, but you can always use the Change option to select a different page if you need to. Let's move to the Format section. Here, you will be able to select how your ad looks. The ad formats available include the carousel format, the single image format, the single video format, and the slideshow format. For this example case, we are going to select the single image format. Then we are going to click on the Upload Images button to upload an image for our ad. You can also click on the Browse Library button to select an image from your image library, or to click on the Free Stock Images button to select your image from a library of free stock images. Let's now move to the Text section. Here, you will add your ad copy, your ad's title, and your landing page URL. Let's start on the text field. Here we are simply going to type our ad copy. Once you enter your copy, make sure to check the Add a Website URL option, which will allow you to add a landing page URL to your ad. So in the website URL field, enter your site's or landing page's URL. In the headline field, you have to enter a headline for your ad. In our case, we're going to simply enter the name of our business. Lastly, you can use the newsfeed link description to either describe your offer or to add a text call to action in your ad. Now select an option from the call to action menu to add a call to action button to your ad. There are several types of call to action buttons available, so make sure to pick one that suits your offer well. Or you can simply select the No Button option if you don't want to add a call to action button to your ad. You can preview your ad on the Ad Preview section to the right. Here you will be able to see how your ads will look on different placements, including the mobile newsfeed and the desktop newsfeed. Finally, you will have to click on the Confirm button to submit your ads for approval. Your ads will start running once they are approved. And that is it. Creating a lead generation campaign on Facebook. Hey there everyone! As you could see in our previous video, creating an ad to help your business reach more people is an easy task. Now we are going to show you how to create an ad that will help you collect leads for your business the right way. In this video, we are going to set up a lead generation campaign to drive more sales leads from people interested in our business, and we are going to start right from the Ads Manager. To create a new lead generation campaign, you have to select lead generation as your marketing objective. Name your new lead generation campaign in the campaign name field, and then set up your ad account if you haven't already, to continue to the ad set. Start by naming your new ad set in the ad set name field, and then select the page that you will use to collect Facebook leads in the page section. Now move to the audience section to set up your target audience. For this example case, we want to reach the hyper-targeted audience that we created before. So we are going to click on the Use a Saved Audience drop-down menu to select our audience. Now it is time to go to the placement section. Remember, if you want to target all possible placements, you can select the Automatic Placements option. But if you want to refine your target placements, you can select the Edit Placements option. For this example case, we are going to select the Automatic Placements option. Now in the Budget and Schedule section, we will create a similar setup to the one that we created in our previous video by selecting a daily budget of $5 and by selecting to Run my ad set continuously starting today option. Let's now click on Continue to set up the ad creative. We will start by naming our ad creative in the ad name field, and then we are going to select our ad format. For this example case, we are going to select a single image format. Now we are going to select an image for our ad. For this example case, we are going to click on the Browse Library option to select an image from our own image library. Remember to click on Confirm once you select an image using any of the options available in this section. Let's now move to the text section. Here, you will enter your ad copy and your ad headline. So we are going to start by typing our ad copy in the text field, and then we are going to type our ad headline in the headline field. Now, there are a couple of things that we would like to highlight. First, because this is a lead generation ad, your landing page link won't appear directly on the ad itself, but in the lead generation form that you'll redirect people to. You can still add a brief description of your landing page in the newsfeed link description field. Secondly, the call to action button selected by default when you create a lead generation ad is the sign up button, but you can select a different one. Please note, however, that the options available in the call to action menu are limited to what you'll be able to offer through your lead gen form. So we recommend you to plan your lead generation ads ahead with this in mind. Okay, so after you edit your ad set, you'll have to edit your lead gen form by scrolling down to the lead form section and clicking on the new form button. Start by naming your new lead gen form in the name text space on top. Then you will have to edit the form's content and settings. Let's start by showing you how to edit the form's content. First, we are going to select a form type. There are two form types available. More volume forms will allow you to use a form that is quick for leads to fill and submit. Higher intent forms will allow you to use forms that add a review step that gives a lead a chance to confirm their info. Higher intent forms are similar to double opt-in emails. For this example case, we are simply going to select a more volume form. Now that we have selected a form type, we are going to edit the intro. The intro is optional, but selecting it will allow you to add a headline and layout text to your sign-up form. For this example case, we are going to leave the intro selected. In the headline space, we are going to type "Want exclusive third-party discounts and content sneak peeks?" That's an example of an enticing headline that collects leads. For the intro image, you can either select to use the image from your ad or to use uploaded image. For this example case, we are going to use the image from our ad. In layout, you can enter text that tells people what your product or service is all about. This is a required field. You can select to use a paragraph layout or a bullets layout. In the questions section, you can customize the headline above the required information fields and to check which user information you will require leads to enter to sign up. You can also request additional information by clicking on the Add Custom Question. In the privacy policy section, you will be required to provide a link to your company's privacy policy page. This is because you are going to collect personal information from users. Here, you will simply have to paste your website's privacy policy page URL in the link URL field, and to enter a simple link text such as "Our privacy policy" in the link text field. You can also add a custom disclaimer by checking the Add Custom Disclaimer option. Adding a custom disclaimer also allows you to add a consent checkbox to ask people to explicitly agree to your disclaimer. Lastly, on the thank you screen section, you will be able to customize the screen your new leads will see after they submit the form. Here you will be able to customize a thank you headline, a thank you description or text, and to add a button type to encourage leads to take action once they reach the thank you screen. Let's now click on the Settings tab. First is the Form Configuration section. Here, you'll have to choose a form language, and then to select how people share your forms by choosing a sharing option. The two sharing options available are Restricted and Open. Restricted sharing will allow you to only let people that are delivered your ad to submit your form. Open sharing will allow you to let anyone share and submit your form. For this example case, we are going to choose Restricted Sharing. Finally, in the Field ID section, you will be able to customize the required form field with your own placeholder text. You will be able to save your new lead form as a draft by clicking on the Save button, and to click on the Finish button once you are done editing it. Now that your new lead generation ad is ready, you will simply have to click on the Confirm button to get it approved and launched. And that is it. Hey there everyone, and welcome to Section 3 of our Facebook Marketing 2018 video training series, the Advanced Facebook Marketing Strategy section, where we are going to show you how to use expert-level Facebook marketing strategies the easy way. Contents in this section includes using Facebook Live for marketing, creating a Facebook remarketing pixel, creating a custom audience, creating a Facebook remarketing campaign, Facebook marketing strategies that convert in 2018, crazy simple tricks to boost your organic reach in 2018. So, without much further ado, let's start with the first item in our content list, using Facebook Live for marketing. One of the best features available to marketers on Facebook is Facebook Live. Facebook Live is Facebook's own live streaming functionality, and it will allow you to do live marketing sessions to better engage with your potential customers. There are several types of live marketing videos that you can do on Facebook Live, including live question and answer sessions, live how-to demonstrations, webinars and product launches, product reviews, and more. In this video, we are going to teach you how to launch a Facebook Live session to discuss one of our newest affiliate offers. Although this is a very specific type of Facebook Live marketing session, the setup will be the same for basically any session that you launch. So let's get started. To launch a Facebook Live session, you have to start on your Facebook page. Now move to the Write a Post box and click on the Live Video option. Now wait until it detects your camera to start streaming. Please note that this step will depend on your current setup. If you are streaming from a phone, a tablet, or from a computer with a webcam, the camera will be automatically detected. On the other hand, if you are using an external live stream setup such as an external camera or decoder like us, you'll need to click on the Connect option to get the stream key that will allow you to connect your streaming device to the Facebook Live feed. In our case, we are using the OBS program, a free video streaming app that you can get for free at the obsproject.com/download URL. Alright, so in our case, we are going to copy the stream key from this page, and then we're going to move to the OBS dashboard. We now click on the Settings button in the Controls panel located under the Stream Preview. Now we'll have to click on the Stream option located in the left-hand menu. Now we are going to select the Streaming Services option on the Stream Type menu, the Facebook Live option in the Service menu, and then we are going to paste our Facebook Live stream key in the Stream Key field. Now we'll click on the OK button. Now we are going to click on the Start Streaming button. Awesome! At this point, you'll be ready to set up your live stream before going live. So let's go back to Facebook. First, you'll have to select where to post your live broadcast. You'll have 4 options: to share on your timeline, to share in a group, to share in an event, or to share on a page you manage. For this example case, we're going to share it on our page, so we select the Share on a Page You Manage option. Now you'll have to add a description to your live marketing broadcast. We recommend you to use the name of the product, service, or topic that you are going to discuss on your live broadcast, and to add the URL that you want your viewers to take action in during your live broadcast. In our case, we are going to discuss a new affiliate product that we want to monetize. So we start our description as, today we are going to discuss the Easy Touch Diabetes Testing Kit, its benefits, and how to get it for cheap. And then we are going to add the Buy It on Amazon text line, followed by the product's shortened affiliate link, and then a link to our website below. Now I'll click on the check-in icon and enter your current location. This will allow you to feature your video on the Facebook Live map, which will make it easier for people to find you by location and topic. Now enter a title for your live broadcast in the title field. For titles, we recommend you to use video keywords alongside your niche keywords. Video keywords are keywords that are proven to make people want to watch a video. Among these keywords, the most commonly used are how to and review. So in our case, we are going to combine the name of our affiliate product with the review keyword, and it will read as Live Review of the Easy Touch Diabetes Testing Kit. Now you'll have to add some tags to help people find your video on search queries. Remember to use commonly used niche keywords as your tags. Now that your live marketing video setup is complete, you should be ready to start broadcasting. So make sure to click on the Go Live button to launch your live marketing session. Best of luck! Creating a Facebook remarketing pixel. Hey there everyone, have you ever noticed that you start seeing ads about certain services or products on Facebook after visiting their websites? That's called remarketing, and Facebook allows you to easily remarket to your website visitors with the Facebook Pixel, which is nothing but a line of code that you can install on your website to track visitors back to Facebook to show them your ads there. Creating a Facebook remarketing pixel is easier than you think, and we're going to show you how. Start on the Ads Manager dashboard and click on the menu icon in the upper left corner. Now navigate the options below the Measure and Report section and click on the Pixels option. You will be taken to the Facebook Pixels page. Now click on the Create a Pixel button. A new pop-up window will appear, and you'll simply have to type your new pixel's name in the Pixel Name field and then to click on the Create button. Awesome! Your new Facebook remarketing pixel is ready. Now you have to install it on your website. Start by clicking on the Launch Pixel Setup link. There are 3 ways to install your Facebook remarketing pixel on your site. You can use an integration or tag manager such as a Google Tag Manager. You can manually insert the code yourself, or you can mail instructions to a developer that can take care of installation. In this video, we are going to teach you how to manually add your new remarketing pixel to your website. Start by clicking on the Manually Install the Code Yourself option. Now locate your Facebook Pixel code and click on it to copy it to your clipboard. You will need to have administrative access to your website's code in order to install the remarketing pixel between the head and head tags. We use WordPress, so we can easily access the header section of our site's code from the dashboard. If you are using WordPress too, you'll simply have to hover over the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu and then to click on the Editor option. Now move to the Theme Files menu on the right. Locate the Theme Header tab and click on it. Now paste your code between the head and head tags, and then click on Update File. Now go back to Facebook and enter your website's URL in the Send Test Traffic to your pixel field and click on the Send Test Traffic button. Awesome! Your Facebook pixel is now active on your site, so click on Continue. Next up, you will simply have to add the events you'd like to track. With the Facebook pixel, you will be able to track events such as purchases, generated leads, registrations, payment info added by customers, items added to a shopping cart, checkouts, searches, and content views. You will simply have to click on the button corresponding to an event to track it. For this example case, we are going to select the View Content event. Once you select an event, you'll have to copy the event code to paste it on your site. So copy the event code and go back to your site's header section. Paste the code right below the head tag. If you are using WordPress, make sure to click on the Update File button after adding the event code. And that's it. Now you will be ready to remarket your website visitors when they are on Facebook. Creating a custom audience. Hello there everyone. In our previous video, we showed you how to create and install a remarketing pixel that will allow you to reconnect with people that visit your website. In this video, we are going to teach you how to create audiences made of people who have already established a connection with your business. These audiences are called custom audiences. To create one, you have to start on the Ads Manager dashboard and then click on the menu button in the upper left corner. Now move over to the Assets section of this menu and click on the Audiences option. Next up, click on the Create Audience drop-down menu and then click on the Custom Audience option. There are several interesting ways to create a custom audience. You can create a custom audience from a customer file to match your saved customer info with people on Facebook, and this will allow you to create a target audience from the matches. You can create a custom audience from website traffic to target people whom you have tracked with a Facebook pixel. You can create a custom audience from app activity to target people who have opened your apps or that have played your games. You can create a custom audience from offline activity to target people who have interacted with your business in store, by phone, and other offline channels. Lastly, you can create a custom audience from engagement to target people who have interacted with your content on Facebook or Instagram. For this example video, we are going to show you how to create a basic custom audience with the website traffic option. After selecting the website traffic option, you have to select whom to add to your new custom audience based on certain criteria. If you select to include people who meet any of the criteria, you will be able to target people who complete any of the actions described in the criteria. If you select to include people who meet all the criteria, you will be able to target people who complete all of the actions described in the criteria. Now you have to select the criteria. You can select all website visitors and then enter for how many days after they have visited your site you will keep targeting them with ads. You can select people who have visited specific web pages on your site and then enter a specific URL from your site from where to track the visitors that you will target with ads. Lastly, you can select visitors by time spent and then select the percentile of time spent. Only those visitors that spend that percentile of time on your site are the ones that you will target with ads. For this example case, we are going to select all website visitors in the past 15 days. Now we are going to click on Include More to add additional criteria. For our second criteria, we are going to select visitors by time spent. Then we will select the 25 percentile in the past 15 days. You can also click on Exclude to add criteria to avoid targeting visitors who complete the actions described in the excluding criteria. Once you finish selecting your criteria, you'll have to name your new custom audience in the Audience Name field, and then to click on Create Audience, then to click on Done. Awesome! Your new custom audience is ready. Tune in for the following video so we can show you how to create a remarketing campaign where to add and target people in your new custom audience. Creating a Facebook remarketing campaign. Hey there, friends! One of the greatest things about marketing on Facebook is that the platform natively supports remarketing campaigns. Remarketing campaigns are advertising campaigns that allow you to retarget people who have interacted with your business before. The Facebook Pixel and custom audiences, which we covered in our previous 2 videos, are designed with remarketing in mind. And in this video, we are going to show you how to create a remarketing campaign from scratch. To show you how, we are going to start on the Ads Manager dashboard, and we will select the Conversions objective. Now we're going to click on the Ad Set column located in the left-hand menu. First, we will name our new ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now we have to select a conversion event. Here you can first select where you want your conversion events to happen: website, app, or messenger. For this example video, we are going to select website. Now we have to click on the Please Select the Conversion Event field to select a conversion event from a drop-down list. In this case, we are going to select View Content as our conversion event. Now we have to set up our audience. For this example case, we are going to simply select an audience from the Use a Saved Audience menu. In the Placement section, we are going to select Automatic Placements. We recommend you to select the Automatic Placements option on all your remarketing campaigns. Now over in the Budget and Scheduling section, we are going to use the same setup we've used before. That is, we are going to set a daily budget of $5, and we are going to select the Run My Ad Set Continuously Starting Today option in the Schedule section. Now we'll click on Continue to edit our ad creative. Now because this is a remarketing campaign, it will be a great strategy to repurpose our content by using our most successful page posts to reach our new leads. In order to do that, we have to click on the Use Existing Post tab. This will allow us to select an existing page post that we can use as our ad. First, we'll have to select the Facebook page that we are going to promote in the Identity section. Now we have to move over to the Creative section and click on the Select the Post drop-down menu. Here we are going to select the post that we are going to use as our ad. For this example case, we are going to select the post where we added a sign-up form that we designed to collect leads for our mailing list. Now that our remarketing campaign is all set up, we will simply have to click on the Confirm button to get it approved and launched. Follow these steps and experiment with the different types of conversion events, as well as with the different types of custom audiences available to test and optimize your remarketing campaigns until you find the perfect remarketing campaign setup for your business. Facebook marketing strategies that convert in 2018. Hey there, friends. 2018 has been a year of changes, some big, some small. But the truth of the matter is that the online marketing landscape is shifting towards providing a quality user experience. That means that the aggressive marketing tactics that you were so used to until last year might not work as well now. And we're here to let you know what strategies will give you a heads up this year and beyond. Always use media in your posts. Facebook posts with visual elements such as images and videos are more likely to engage than text-only posts. This is especially true when you are working towards increasing brand recognition or towards promoting a new product. Furthermore, if your goal is to drive more sales, you should always use images of your products or services being used or offered in contexts that are familiar to your target audience. Always include a landing page link to expand the storytelling in your images or videos, and include a call to action button that leads people from the landing page directly to the sales page. Study your target Facebook demographics. Always make sure to study your target demographics before you launch your Facebook ad campaigns. Facebook allows you to hyper-target people right down to the perfect customer. So take the time to find out which people are more likely to be immediately interested in what your business offers. So, for example, if your perfect customers are females aged 25 to 45 whose interests include healthy eating, nature, and yoga, make sure to only target those attributes not only when you set up your audiences, but also with your Facebook page's design, with the way you compose your page posts, and with everything else about your business's presence on the platform. Apply the 80-20 rule. contrary to what a lot of marketers believe, there is actually what can be considered as the perfect balance between the amount of hard sell content and of high-value content that you post on your Facebook pages. It is called the 80-20 rule, and it consists in posting 80% high-value content such as inspiring and educational posts with links to long-form articles or videos, and posting only 20% of hard-sell content such as a post about a new product with a sales page link in the description. Use your cover photo to promote discounts. Your page's cover photo is like a big-sized billboard that welcomes people to your page, and they can be used to promote discounts. By highlighting a discount or time-sensitive offer on your cover photo, you will be encouraging people to click on it to enlarge it. Once they enlarge it, they will be able to get more information about the discount or promotion in the cover photo description. So make sure to add a shortened link to the product's landing page. Optimize your campaigns in real time. You can monitor and adjust your ad campaigns in real time to optimize the way you serve your ads. In any case, we recommend you to wait from 1 to 2 days before making any changes to your campaigns to properly manage your ad performance. Crazy simple tricks to boost your organic reach in 2018. You might have heard about it. Facebook is limiting the amount of company page content that it shows on most users' news feeds in favor of more content from their friends. This means that it won't be as easy as it used to be to reach people organically. But that's okay, because there are still ways to boost your organic reach in 2018 and beyond. Here are our favorites. Ask questions. One of the easiest ways to boost your organic reach is by posting relevant questions to your audience. Posting questions will help you to boost your organic reach because question posts get lots of shares and interaction, which counts towards making your posts and your brand more visible. Ask for feedback. Asking people for feedback, for comments or recommendations, is another great way of boosting your organic reach through engagement. This will work better if you set up polls that are easy to share. Upload videos. Facebook is looking to compete with platforms such as YouTube and Snapchat by discouraging people to upload videos from those video sharing sites in favor of rewarding those that upload their videos directly to Facebook. This means that video posts and Facebook Live broadcasts get more organic exposure and are recommended by Facebook itself. Run contests. One of the best ways to increase your page's rank and exposure is by getting more page fans. And one of the best ways to get more page fans is by running contests. The trick is in running contests for page fans only, and to include a bonus entry for those fans that share the contest with others in their network. Use tags. Facebook might have limited its organic reach on the newsfeed, but it still has a powerful search feature that you can leverage to boost your organic reach. So make sure to use tags, hashtags, and search engine optimizations in your content to make sure your brand is easier to discover organically. Hey there, friends! Welcome to Section 4 of our Facebook Marketing 2018 video training series, the Additional Tips to Consider section. In this section, we are going to discuss do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. So let's start off with this section's first video, do's and don'ts. Do's: interact with your page fans. The brands with the most successful Facebook presence are the ones that use engagement as a top marketing strategy by responding to their fans' comments, asking them questions regularly, and encouraging them to tag the brand on photos and status posts. Use brand-specific tabs. We recommend you to use a left-hand sidebar on your pages to include menu items to promote your brand and your products, such as including a downloads or a free sign-up tab. Use easily recognizable branding. Your profile picture is the first thing that will make people stop to check your content when it appears on their timelines. So make sure to use your logo as your profile picture to increase brand awareness. Develop personality and humor. The best way to make people want to interact with your brand is to make it sound casual on social media. Work on developing a unique tone for your content, as well as a sense of humor that is unique to your brand. Highlight your Facebook page on your websites. One way to rapidly increase relevant traffic to your Facebook page is by adding its URL on your websites through a profile icon button on the right-hand sidebar. We also recommend you embed your most popular posts on update pages. Encourage likes and shares with giveaways. Promote giveaways to encourage people to like your pages and to share your posts by making both actions a requirement for a chance to win. Post curated content. It is completely fine to post content from other sources such as other brands or competitors as long as you cite the sources and tag the corresponding brands. This will help you to offer your fans and customers valuable content to keep them engaged, and it will also help you to gain exposure if the brands you tag respond back with a like or a share. Cross-promote to Instagram. You can promote your brand's Facebook content on Instagram by using the Ads Manager for cross-posting. You'll just have to leave the Instagram feed and stories options checked during the placement selection process. Use the Page Insights feature. Page Insights will allow you to know who among your page fans is the most engaged with your page. This is crucial because you'll want to know what type of lead is interacting the most with your brand. Is it repeat customers? Is it prospects? Such insights will allow you to fine-tune your Facebook marketing efforts, and you'll find this feature on each one of your Facebook pages by clicking on the Insights tab on the page's top bar menu. Experiment with when and how often you post. Make sure to test different post schedule variations to see which post frequency generates the most positive interaction. Then settle on a fixed schedule once you know which frequency and time of day your page fans are most likely to expect to post from your brand's page. Don'ts. Don't set and forget. That your Facebook marketing campaigns are fully automated doesn't mean that you should neglect them. Remember that trends and user behaviors change, and campaigns do not adapt automatically to those changes. Don't mislead consumers. Be as transparent about your products and offers as you can. Avoid misleading people about what you sell to get as much positive social proof as possible. Don't buy engagement. It might be tempting to buy likes and comments to boost your visibility, but Facebook has gotten pretty good at spotting and penalizing accounts doing this, so avoid it at all costs. Don't spam. Avoid posting the same type of post too frequently. That is considered spam and can easily lower your post visibility in your target users' timelines. Don't promote direct sales. Make sure that your sales posts are story-driven. Avoid making direct sales posts because most Facebook users ignore them. If you are selling or promoting a product, simply focus on telling a brief story about its features and its benefits in a context that is familiar to your target audience. Don't post irrelevant content. While it is good for your brand to post the occasional joke or to engage in conversations about trending topics, you have to always keep the rest of the content that you post tied to your business. Don't target too broadly. Targeting people outside of your niche, location, and language will not help you to make more sales or to reach more valuable customers. So focus only on reaching the type of people that are more likely to, at the very least, engage with your marketing pages. Don't write long copy. Keep your message engaging and simple by writing short copy for your post. That will allow your prospects to understand what your offers are all about right after they read the copy on your posts or ads. Don't disappear. Never stop posting or boosting your posts. Commit to a posting schedule that works. You can slowly lose a lot of page fans and customers by going silent even for a couple of days. Don't violate Facebook policy. This might sound obvious, but you can easily end up violating Facebook guidelines such as sending people to a landing page before sending them to a sales page after they click in your ads if you're not careful. So make sure to always check for updates and changes on Facebook marketing policies. Premium tools and services to consider. Heyo. Heyo is a simple drag-and-drop web-based platform that seamlessly integrates with Facebook to allow you to easily set up all kinds of contests, promotions, giveaways, and a host of other mobile-optimized Facebook marketing campaigns. Post Planner. Post Planner is a post scheduling tool that integrates with Facebook, and that will help you to find the best content for your audience by curating feeds based on industry and interests, so you can later create an automated content stream. TabSite. TabSite is an awesome tool that will allow you to easily embed the most popular type of marketing promotions right in your Facebook page tabs, including coupons, contests, lead apps, and sign-up forms. Agora Pulse. Agora Pulse is a software-based service that can be best described as a complete toolkit for Facebook marketers. It will allow you to easily set up quizzes, contests, petitions, and other types of interactive apps that boost engagement. It also offers you page analytics, in-depth fan-based data, and automated page moderation tools. Buffer. Buffer is one of the best Facebook marketing tools around for one simple reason. It allows you to create several Facebook posts at once and to distribute their launch throughout every single day of the week. It will also provide you with analytics about each link you share on your posts, so you can learn about what type of shared content is giving you the best results. Hootsuite. Being one of the most popular social media management tools on the market, Hootsuite will allow you to schedule posts, to monitor engagement, and to analyze your Facebook marketing efforts the easy way. It will also allow you to discover what is being said about your brand by simply using it to research niche keywords. Networked blogs. The Networked Blogs tool is a web-based service designed to make your life easier because it will allow you to automatically publish your blog or website post directly to your Facebook pages. And it can also automatically curate content by simply liking it, saving you lots of time in the process. Social Bakers. Social Bakers is a tool designed to help you make more accurate decisions based on powerful social analytics by allowing you to measure your Facebook marketing performance and to compare it to your competitors within your industry, region, or country. It will also allow you to analyze your strategy from the perspective of different metrics, including ad spend, engagement, advertising costs, and content performance. ShortStack. ShortStack is a fully featured Facebook marketing tool that will allow you to set up and launch all types of engagement campaigns such as giveaways. What's more, it will allow you to push these campaigns in a matter of minutes because they can be easily put together using a simple visual editor right on your page. Likealyzer. Likealyzer is a web-based service that allows you to check the health of your Facebook marketing pages. All you have to do is to enter your page's URL in the search bar on Likealyzer's homepage, and it will show you a single block with data such as number of posts per day and the number of interactions you're getting on them, and it will provide you with specific actions that you have to take to improve. Shocking case studies. Shutterfly. Shutterfly is a personal publishing service that specializes in creating custom photo books, cards, home decor items, and gifts. Objective: the company wanted to increase sales and brand awareness. Strategy: the company used Facebook to create campaigns targeted at moms with kids at home. They used the Claim Offer feature on the Ads Manager to promote a free ceramic mug that could be claimed by anyone reached by the company's ads. Results? Over 16,000 people claimed their free mug, but most crucially, there were over 8,000 individual purchases generated, which resulted in an 11 times return on investment. State Bicycle Company. The State Bicycle Company is a bicycle manufacturer from Arizona. Objective: the company's objective was to boost online sales through its website and to grow its Facebook audience. Strategy: the company uses Facebook to promote a weekly photo challenge, where it awards the fan who submits the best photo for the weekly challenge. It also uses it to promote unique discount codes. Both strategies are designed to encourage sales through brand awareness. Results? The company has grown its Facebook fan base from 4,500 to 480,000 fans ever since it started using Facebook to market its business. It also attributes $500,000 of its annual sales to purchases encouraged by Facebook coupons and offers. Castle Chevrolet. Castle Chevrolet is a car dealership and automotive repair shop based in Illinois. Objective. The dealership's objective was to raise brand awareness and to promote its car aftercare program in order to outdo the competition. Strategy. The dealership used Facebook to create ads targeted at potential customers living within a few miles of its automotive showrooms, as well as those that live near its closest competitors. Results? The Facebook ad campaign generated 2,212 visits to the dealership's website and 23 vehicle sales. Disney and Make-A-Wish. Disney World is one of the most recognizable media companies in existence, and Make-A-Wish, the nonprofit foundation for children, have a long-standing relationship of support. Objective. Both companies wanted to increase awareness about Disney's efforts towards supporting the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Strategy. Disney's marketing team came up with a simple yet brilliant strategy. Disney would donate $5 for every picture posted of Facebook users wearing Mickey Mouse ears and using the Share Your Ears hashtag. Results? The campaign was a huge success, and Disney ended up donating $2 million to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Buffer. Buffer is an online-based company that provides social media management tools and services to businesses. Objective. The online marketing company wanted to know what type of results can a marketer expect from investing only $5 on Facebook ads. Strategy. The Buffer team invested $5 on a boosted post, $5 on a page likes campaign, and $5 on a clicks to website campaign. Results? The team was able to generate 9 likes per day, 1 click to website or landing page per day, and 787 new people reached through its boosted post. Brian Moran. Brian Moran is an accomplished internet marketer and the founder of Samcart.com, a platform for internet entrepreneurs. Objective. Brian's objective was to purely collect leads for his courses and training products business. Strategy. Brian tested Facebook ads targeted at 3 main groups: his existing email list, a lookalike audience based on his email list, and a third custom audience created using the Facebook Ad Manager's native advanced targeting features. He then spent $8,240 on ads. Results? Despite his main objective being to collect leads, Brian was able to make $14,081 in sales out of his $8,240 ad spend investment. V-Roll. V-Roll is a video ads platform that specializes in Facebook and YouTube video ads. Objective. V-Roll's objective was to use Facebook to reach more business-to-business customers. Strategy. The marketing team behind the platform started a video ad campaign on Facebook to send all its social traffic to a webinar funnel. Results? The company was able to generate 122 signups after only 2 weeks of the campaign's run, which resulted in $11,000 of recurring monthly revenue. HubSpot. HubSpot is an online marketing company that specializes in high-quality inbound marketing software. Objective. The company wanted to promote its brand as a thought leader in the business-to-business field. Strategy. The company ran a 3-month campaign on Facebook to lead customers to like their fan page to engage them with thought leadership content there. Results? The company saw a 71% increase in sales, a 15% increase in return on investment, and a 39% increase in traffic from Facebook. The Kokorin Group. The Kokorin Group is a real estate brokerage firm based in New York. Objective. The firm's objective was to increase engagement with potential home buyers on social media. Strategy. The firm used Facebook to create campaigns targeted at local New Yorkers and potential B2B customers. They also used it to nurture a community built around the firm's activities to drive awareness. Results? The firm is getting double the visitors to its website from Facebook than from other marketing channels. Canvas People. Canvas People is a canvas printmaker that specializes in turning photos into beautiful canvas art. Objective. The printmaker's objective was to drive brand recognition and to establish a presence among social media users. Strategy. The company used Facebook to create engagement campaigns and to drive people to purchase their services directly from their website. Results? The company generated 3,950 individual sales from a single Facebook campaign alone. Frequently asked questions. What is the advantage of using Facebook ads on your Facebook marketing campaigns? There are many advantages of using Facebook ads on your campaigns. One of the strongest benefits is that Facebook ads allow you to target very specific audiences. If you already know the consumer profile of your potential customers, you can use that information to only show your promoted posts and ads to the exact type of people that meet your criteria. Not only that, but using Facebook ads will also allow you to target people by location and interests, among many other criteria, which means that targeting stops being so hit and miss. Another advantage is that you'll see results faster because you are not relying on other people to push your content. Also, Facebook ads are not expensive, and you can experiment with them on a very tight budget. What's the difference between using the Boost Post button and using the Ads Manager to promote your posts? You might not see a big difference between using the Boost Post button and using the Ads Manager to promote your Facebook posts if you are only promoting your posts to increase your reach. But the main difference is in the number of features available when you use either option. For starters, the Boost Post button is mostly designed for small business owners and casual users that want to drive awareness about their pages the easiest, most affordable way possible, as you'll only need to edit a few targeting settings and to add a payment method to cover the cost of your reach right from your Facebook page. The Ads Manager, on the other hand, is designed for more experienced users and dedicated advertisers that can use it on behalf of businesses to promote their content. That is because the Ads Manager will also allow you to create display ads to promote on Facebook and on partner networks. Is Facebook marketing best used for driving engagement, or can it also be used to drive specific business objectives efficiently? You can drive both types of results efficiently if you apply the right strategies. The misconception that Facebook is only good for generating social traffic and engagement was spread by cheapskate marketers that have yet to learn how to properly target a qualified audience. The best way to measure how well you are driving business-specific results is by measuring return on investment. If you can tie profits or increase revenue to Facebook engagement, then you are doing it well. Can you create a Facebook app and profit off it? It depends on your niche or the size of your team. Most marketers that are able to make money from apps target the gaming niche, as that is the easiest way to monetize Facebook app engagement. On the other hand, if you have a reasonably sized team of good marketers, programmers, and designers, you can make them work on an app to monetize any niche, as long as it offers a valuable solution to users of the platform. Is there an optimal custom audience strategy, or is it enough to target your existing lists? If you are just loading up contact info such as emails and phone numbers from your existing lists to create your custom audiences, you might be leaving a lot on the table. The optimal custom audience strategy is to analyze your existing contact list to identify customers and businesses, then to create different custom audiences to match each on Facebook. This will allow you to create awesome remarketing opportunities to convert, to qualify, and to expand your customer base. Is there an optimal content strategy that works for all niches? The best content strategy that works for any niche is to know your business well. This will allow you to engage with your audience and potential customers in a meaningful way. And if you are a business owner who will be delegating social media management to a consultant, make sure to teach him or her everything about your business, because they will be posting on behalf of your brand. How often should you reply to your audience's comments and questions? The simplest answer is as often as possible, especially to those that already like your brand's page. It might be a time-consuming process, but it is as much of an investment as your advertising budget because it will help you to increase brand awareness and interactions that boost your organic reach. Should you promote your website's content on your Facebook page? It largely depends on what type of content you have on your website. If your website has a dedicated blog section, or if you create helpful overview articles about your products, you should share those post links, as they will provide your audience with relevant content. Is it a smart strategy to like other business pages on Facebook? Yes, it is a smart strategy for a variety of reasons. First, liking other business pages shows consumers as well as other businesses your willingness as a brand to participate in the community at large. This will not only help you to increase brand awareness, but also the chances of driving business-to-business opportunities such as cross-promotions and other types of B2B deals. It can also help you to reverse engineer the strategies used by other businesses in the same niche and to expand your reach to those businesses' audiences. Is it better to send people to your Facebook page first or to your website first? It depends at which stage of familiarity your potential customers are with your offers or products. As a general rule, if a potential customer is in the early stages of familiarity with your business and it is just starting to get interested in your offers, you should be sending him or her to your Facebook page first for engagement, and from there, to lead him or her to your website for content and for exposure to your products. Now, if a potential customer is in the ready-to-buy stage, you should take him or her directly to your website through a clear call to action. So, unless you are using Facebook to target ready-to-buy leads with ads, you should be using it to nurture repeat customer relationships.